You are beaten. It is useless to resist. Don't let yourself be destroyed as Obi-Wan did. There is no escape. Don't make me destroy you. Luke, you do not yet realize your importance. You have only begun to discover your power. Join me, and I will complete your training. With our combined strength, we can end this destructive conflict and bring order to the galaxy.
I'll never join you!
If you only knew the power of the dark side. Obi-Wan never told you what happened to your father.
He told me enough! He told me you killed him.
No. I am your father.
No. It's not true. That's impossible!
Search your feelings. You know it to be true.
No!
Luke, you can destroy the Emperor. He has foreseen this. It is your destiny. Join me, and together we can rule the galaxy as father and son. Come with me. It is the only way.
Hi, Mario here. Welcome to my channel where I like to do unboxings, tech reviews, and lifestyle. All my videos are not sponsored. I buy all my tech and stuff with my own money, so my opinion is my own and not sponsored. With that out of the way, we will dive into the unboxing and quick review of the product. This is the NMD R1 Star Wars shoes, running-inspired sneakers made with Adidas top innovations. With a unique combination of shapes, angles, and materials, the NMD R1 shoes may pay homage to Adidas innovation, a collaboration with Disney. This pair has a Star Wars theme with responsive boost underfoot. These shoes boast new levels of flexibility, stability, and strength. Specifications are regular fit, lace closure, textile upper, rubber outsole, textile lining, responsive boost midsole, snug fit. Imported product color will be core black, solar red. The product code FW2282. Vader shoes takes on a sinister black and red colorway with "Join me and we can rule the galaxy" stamp on the heel. On top of the shoe sits Darth Vader's printed image, and the red line running on top of the toe towards the tongue of the shoe represents his red lightsaber. Cushioning is adequate, but the design inside the shoe gears towards flat-footed individuals. If your foot is not flat-footed, you may feel some discomfort when standing on such long periods of time. To me, this is one of the most or best looking NMD R1s out there. We bought this here on Foot Locker in Saudi Arabia, Jeddah, on their buy one take one sale. Well, that's it for now, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Sentinel TV, hit the bell notification, like and share this to your friends, as that will be a great help to my channel and bring you more videos in the future. Peace!